Here now with Doug Morton. He's the Vice President of Sales for Eleet Cryogenics. Doug, what are some of the things that a gas distributor would buy from Eleet?
So Eleet Cryogenics, we've been around for about 27 years now. We rehab cryogenic tanks. We offer micro-bulk tanks, which are new Taylor Morton tanks, as well as bulk tanks, vaporizers, final line assemblies. Everything on the pad is really what we provide to the distributors in a turnkey system. Everything go in one truck.
All right, aside from the products, what would be some of the value that you guys bring as a company? Not just the products, but what else can you offer besides the products?
So I think one thing we add a lot of value is that we have a lot of engineering in-house, and we continue to add engineers. And so for the distributors that are wanting to go after an application where they need sizing and to understand the equipment that's appropriate for that, we can help them go through that and from start to finish, from the bulk tank, vaporizer, manifolds, everything, and size it properly with our engineering in-house. So that has been very well received by the distributors.
All right. How about, a lot of people are already doing business with you in here, and maybe even for those people who already do know you, what might be something that they don't know about you?
You mean from business standpoint? Yeah. So we do have a new product. One thing that we did just launch, they probably don't know about this yet, but it's a 3,000 liter, and that is a medical skid. And so that's a new unit that we just had brought out. We've sold a few of them already, and it's been very well received. So for a small hospital, surgical center, something like that, it's a real clean package. So that's a new product. And about me, people may not know I have a convertible Corvette.
There you go. That's a good tip from Doug. How about switching gears? We'll talk about the facility change. You guys have had a lot of press about the new facility in Texas. It's basically a one-to-one swap. You went from a smaller facility to a larger facility. Take us through that, why you guys did it, and what's the plan there?
So we had a lot of our customers that had done business with us for a long time wanting us to expand into the southern part of the country. So there was an opportunity to acquire a competitor. So they were out of the market, and it got us right into the market immediately. We brought in the bulk tanks, the micro bulk tanks, and we knew though we were going to have to get bigger. So we built a very large facility in Conroe, and that's expanding, and it's really serving the southern part of the United States very well. So it's going well.
It looks beautiful. All right, well, I want to thank you for everything that you do for us throughout the year, Doug. You're always very generous with us. You're always at all the events. You used to serve on the industry partnering, so I know that you've invested a lot of time, money, and effort into the industry. So thank you so much for everything that you've done, and it's always great to see you at these shows.
You're welcome. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
All right.